Barney's Easter Parade. It happened one Easter when Sammy and Sue told Barney why they were feeling so blue. "We dyed all our eggs, we hunted them too, and now that we found them, there's nothing to do." Then Barney appeared in the blink of an eye. He said,
"Don't be sad, and I'll tell you why. An Easter parade, now that would be neat. No time for pouting, look out at your street."
They ran out the door, and what a surprise! An Easter parade in front of their eyes. Flags were a-waving. Boom, boom went the drums.
"Come on,"
said Barney.
"the fun has begun."
An Easter parade means springtime is here. Flowers are blooming, and summer is near. Bees are a-buzzing, birds flit round their nests.
"Spring," said Barney, "is the time I love best. Let's join the parade."
And waving his hand, Barney made his friends part of the band. Sammy played his horn. Toot, toot, he blew, and crash went the cymbals, carried by Sue. "Oh, what fun!" Sue giggled, while Sammy laughed too.
"Just wait,"
said Barney.
"there's more fun for you. Look, here comes a float with BJ upon it. There's Baby Bop too, in her Easter bonnet."
"Here comes a new friend. Hop along, Bunny. He's a Wild West rabbit, isn't he funny? And this hungry bunny is Hillary Hopper. She loves eating carrots, so don't try and stop her." "Here's another friend. He's a big bopper. He dances around, this bebop hip hopper." "But wait," said Sammy. "What's that sound I hear? Hip hip hop hooray! Easter Bunny is here." He hopped into view with a smile so big that Easter Bunny then danced a fun jig. With his little bunny vest and his little bunny smile, this lovable bunny is always in style. He loves all children, so sweet and so dear, even though he comes but once every year. With a hug for Sammy and a kiss for Sue, the Easter Bunny then hopped out of view. And so one Easter, from out of the blue, Barney brightened the day for Sammy and Sue.
"The parade is over, but springtime is here. Easter,"
said Barney,
"is a great time of year."
Happy Easter! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.